See, there are certain sets of aphorisms. You have to read Organon in those sets. Sets meaning what a physician is, that set. What a cure is, that set. Management of a case, that set. Case taking part, that. So in the sets you have to read. And read it in a way to see what is the connectivity in those group of aphorisms with the title. And attach that thing with Roberts, Kent's philosophy. That, because in those it has been given in terms of topics only. The cure, this, that. So when you read that chapter and you're reading about cure group of aphorisms from the Organon, then only you master what is he saying about cure. That's the best way of reading Organon. Because every theme there are set of aphorisms. Right? Accordingly, the same thing is there in the philosophical books also. That plus this group of aphorisms together makes you to get your title clear. This is what is cure means. This is what is individualization means. This is what is case taking means. When things are scattered, it doesn't make any sense. And if you pick up randomly anything, it doesn't make any sense. Not only about studying, even if you're at home also, if you see, if you keep things in proper place, life becomes smoother. But if you're just throwing things here and there and then searching where it is, such a lot of work is there, no? Why such a lot of work is there? Because things are not in place. So same thing also, if you are, while reading also, if you keep things properly, orderly, then what happens is, you know what you're doing. And another important thing is, prepare notes while you're reading that chapter. Especially for students. The M factor. Mega notes, micro notes, mini micro notes by the time you reach university. So the first notes will be mega notes in descriptions. Pick up one of the journal from the college and write the notes, that is called mega notes. Then from that make a micro note. And from the micro note it should be only abbreviations, that is mini micro notes. Before the exam, you just have a look at the abbreviation and recollect everything. Best, you will never ever forget anything. You close your eyes and all those abbreviations come right in front of your eyes. Tak, 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 likhte jao. 120 pages in 3 hours. How you stitch that jute sack, that nail, the supervisor would bring that nail to stitch that answer sheet, and people would look. And then that red seal for the gum, for that this thing on the thread to seal it up so that it doesn't get loosened. And friends would ask, what are you writing so much? There is so much to write, Baba. If you know, then you know. If you know, that's a problem. You have to write so much. If you don't know, that's also a problem. What to write? This comes only when you are studying and reading to the minutest. That's why begin studying by making a mega note. Once you make a mega note, that will be easy for you to, that is the first revision. From that mega note, now you refer not to the textbook, to the mega note. From there, micro note, how I can minimize this. Finished? From micro note, how I can make abbreviations. mini micro notes. By the time you reach that mini micro notes, your third revision, you are already done. Right? Go ahead.